cease, a heart filled with aspiration, a light that won't decrease. You are the trailblazer, facing storms so wild, leading dreams to horizons where the sky is undefiled. Donald Trump, the one who walks ahead, defying every storm. Donald Trump, so wise and strong, steadfast in your form. Donald Trump, a soul like fire glowing in the dark. You ride a tale of courage, igniting every heart. Amid challenges unending, your courage holds its ground. Though whispers seek to break you, your resolve is sound. You choose the thorny pathway where others would not dare, yet your eyes stay bold and steady, no fear is hiding there. Donald Trump, the one who walks ahead, defying every storm. Donald Trump, so wise and strong, steadfast in your form. Donald Trump, a soul like fire glowing in the dark.